All right, everybody, Stan Smith from Iron Sharp K9, and today they're gonna set me on fire.
Yes.
Right, so, I put this in my hand.
Oh, don't crush it.
Oh, don't crush it. don't do that, don't do that. Ooh, that is hot. Ooh, that is hot shit. Let's do it again.
So, go ahead and put your hand in the water just to get it a little wet, and that way it won't be as hot. Okay? Try to get some better bug for
Do not try this at home.
No.
I feel like Avatar.
Do it again.
One more time, let's do it. I'm a fire bend.
Yeah.
Y'all stay tuned.
Do it on silver.
So we don't have a fire extinguisher.
Stop, drop, and roll.
Yep.
All right, so now we're gonna test it on the suit to see is it actually flammable or what, because I don't wanna put that on and be trying to unbuckle in my, that'd be bad, people. I'm not trying to look like Michael Jackson.
Will your dog bite a firebender?
Hey, sounds good to me. I think I should put a hat on or something just in case, so my hair don't. Let me see your hat.
I say we don't do it on your shoulder. We do it like on
luscious locks?
the other arm at it, but it's not enough blood.
Look at his face.
Be like Vegeta.
That is pretty
Bring him back, but I can't get your eyes at all this. All right, but you got to do it at the lights, not just at his ass. Light.
Whew, that got hot.
Yeah, do that. Try it.
Light you up. Yeah.
What are you gonna do? He's gonna dip his
He's gonna get his
bubbles
own
inside.
fireball,
He'll get his own bubbles.
I gotta channel my inner
and then
fire.
just blow it towards him.
No, just go out.
Yeah, I wouldn't do it too, or you're gonna be spraying fire.
I'll tell you.
I'll throw
Fire's a little too much fun, isn't it? All right, go. The fire's
Get it higher, 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 higher.
higher and lower in both sides. Now run back, keep on going back and forth.
Somebody light me.
Oh, right here? I thought you
Or
were
twice, and then y'all do the fire.
Yeah.
Okay, are we ready?
Yes.
Okay.
Nice.
I think that should be a good one.
No, sorry.
That's a good one.
Fire!
Yeah, boy.
I told you you'd like it.
I'm in pyro. This is
Me too.
Alright, I'm lit.
There you go.
Alright, people, so now we tested the fire on just me, so now we're gonna get a dog. We're gonna put him on there. He's gonna be working, and then they're gonna set this arm on fire, and we're gonna see if we can get a pretty cool shot. Hopefully my hair does not catch on fire. Keep the camera rolling.
On the left side.
You told me this side.
No, I mean, Jim. The other. Okay, line them up.
Again?
You can? Wait.
You ready to go again? Yeah, good boy.
spray again. Clear. Okay, I got you.
That wasn't very good.
I need you run through this. Alright. Okay.
Alright, so this is pretty cool. Come over here and look at this. So I'm just out the camera. And obviously it's gonna look a whole lot better. And again, people, don't do this if you're just doing it at your house, trying to set yourself on fire and get a picture. Make sure everybody knows what they're doing, and make sure you got people watching, keeping you safe. All right, I'm gonna get me some refreshment. I need to hydrate a little bit. Doing this is crazy, crazy work. All right, so we got another dog. We're gonna do some stuff, so y'all stay tuned.
Oh, my bad. Spray, these live in.
Around the hole.
Bye, Halo.
Did you get it? Want me to do it again?
No, it was good. We just ran out of smoke.
Yeah, I knew that. That's what I, yeah. So when I go to next time.
So that would make sure you
Sometimes
get
it takes
part
more
of
than
that
just
too.
one shot to get that good one. So we're gonna try again. Halo should know what she's doing now, so it's gonna be a better experience.
Okay.
All right, ready?
Spray.
More smoke.
Spray, 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 spray. Go, Halo, go. Light, 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 light. Yeah, good girl. She didn't know we were What do you use it?
Alright, that's higher on it. You gotta go higher with it.
Oh, you're gonna spray.
Okay, we're ready.
Watch me, Halo. Watch me. Bye. Go, go, go.
Good girl. Spray.
More smoke.
Like that. Sprayers, you ready?
Good girl, Halo.
Perfect.
Put her up. All right, people, so we're gonna try to get another shot. I'm gonna see if I can get a diving pose. The dog's gonna hit, and we're gonna be like, oh. I'm gonna try to go full extension like Superman. I think in another life, I might have been a stunt devil or something.
Ready. Ready. Oh, I wasn't quite ready, but we're good.
Try it again.
Okay, try to jump higher.
All right, ready?
Ready. Whenever you're ready. Alright. Sprayers out of the way. Ready.
I think I was in the shot.
I have no clue.
Look at his face, bro.
Jump higher this time. Ready?
He told me to jump higher.
I'm ready when y'all are.
All right, so Twin just pulled up. Twin, come over here. You gotta talk.
Hey, after he does that, I just want to get exposure and everything right before.
We can do that over here.
right now.
All right, so you a pyro? No, you said a house on fire.
Yeah.
So, hey, y'all watch out for this man, man. Please don't say nothing. Look. Don't do none of that, Twin.
I did a 3-story house. Just gotta do it.
Oh man, so it's gonna be fun though. It's like it's a weird sensation. It's hard to explain. But if you don't want it, don't throw it at your face because your beard will catch on fire.
Think of it as a spider.
Yep.
How about you can throw it?
Yep. Flick it. So what I
Did you
was
see
doing was
Landon's
like
pictures?
Yeah, I saw it.
Okay, don't do it with Landon.
hit him with one of these.
Watch yourself,
Go-
Stanford.
Go together and then go.
Yeah.
And then make your facial expressions. Don't look at your hands. Look at the camera.
Okay.
And then if you catch on fire, stop, drop, and roll, and we'll laugh.
No, it's just
Oh,
a
it is
test,
acceptable, yeah.
right?
All right, so now scoop the bubbles in.
Yeah,
yeah,
the
you
big
can.
bubbles. Jimmy, I'll
Just
not
the
do
big
the small
ones.
ones.
I mean,
There we go.
it's alright, yeah.
It's fine. Ready?
You gotta sync with me.
3.
All right, stand with your one on your left more. And kind of go lower because it kind of rises. Okay, you light them up.
Go, bubbles.
You can barely get down there.
3, 2,
Ready?
1.
I hope I got that.
I am the official fogger. It's cooking.
Yeah, I agree.
Okay, you need more of the, there you go. Okay, light them up.
There we go.
All right,
Ready?
everybody out of
3,
frame?
2, 1.
Perfect.
Badass.
Hold it in the middle, Jamil, before you
Stand to
switch.
the left, or to your right,
That's what he did.
or whatever it is.
So-
More toward Jim.
Ready?
Yeah. Well, not really. Now light them up. Everybody out of frame?
Ready? 3, 2, 1.
A little too hot. Keep fogging, keep fogging, keep fogging. Jim, a little bit higher. Okay, fire them up. Everybody out of frame. Light them up.
You gotta give me 1, 3, 2, 1.
Fire them up.
All right, 3, 2, 1.
That was a lot of fun.
Let's do the send the dog.
That's not enough.
Do some more bubbles.
Yep. Okay, now I'm gonna do it across your back.
That's a go, babies.
3, 2, 1.
The bubbles ain't bubbling.
There we go.
Oh, he's still going. Get him.
Don't worry, we may have caught his hair on fire. It's fine.
Oakley.
I need to pull these.
Out. Oakley bleeding.
I like some fresh
She
light on.
loves having her butt pictures. I don't know why.
I'm trying to get out. I think we need more,
But I'll get in there and edit.
maybe.
That's a hell of a good. Jamie.
I'm off the bus. You're such an idiot. We're so stupid. But you need to blow that one up.
One more time.
That's all.
Okay, ready?
Hold on. Let me get bubbles. Hold on.
All right, hold on.
We're like really having a hard time.
You want me to do that for you?
Okay, we're good.
Okay, step back just a few steps. Perfect. All right.
We're almost out.
Okay, we'll deal with that. Send the dog.
Send.
Yes, buddy.
Run, Sam, run. Alright, here we go. Ready? 3, 2, 1, flamage!
He's okay. He's okay.
2, 1.
Blank expressions is fine. It's fine. It's like it's fine.
Holy shit.
My head's
Have
on
you seen that
fire.
meme of the dog and the tire?
We're done.
It's like it's fine.
No more.
That's good.
Alright, let me have your lighter. I don't want to play. You're grounded.